When your companion tells you something looks good on you and you disagree. You're just saying it looks good. You're a bloody liar. Yes, you can do that. Bloody versus the F word. Is it rude to say bloody in English? A long time ago, bloody was used as a curse word, although today it's still used as an exclamation when somebody wants to express anger or frustration. Oh, bloody hell. How dare you. I say, old chap, you okay? Today, it's not quite the same as using the F word, which has a much more derogative impact and can quickly raise tensions or escalate into a dangerous situation. To say bloody doesn't have the same impact on people around the speaker. In fact, the listener might feel quite sympathetic. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, what's up? I missed my bloody 5 o'clock business appointment. Sorry to hear about that. So in this video, we can focus just on bloody examples, unless I receive overwhelming requests in the comments for more examples of the F word. This is YouTube and that's a little bit risky. What do you think? I'll also give you a quick checklist of when it's okay to use the word bloody at the end of this video. So back to the word bloody. If we want to compare the derogative impact of bloody versus the F word on a scale of 1 to 10, I think bloody is around the 2 to 3 mark. And the F word wins the highest spot at number 10. So why is bloody not a curse word like it used to be? If you check it out on Google search, you'll see something like this. Considered respectable until about 1750, so not naughty. It goes on to say, it was heavily tabooed during 1750 until 1920, considered equivalent to heavily obscene or profane speech. Public use continued to be seen as controversial until the 1960s. But since then, the word has become a comparatively mild expletive or intensifier. Whew, unquote. That was a mouthful. In short, for about 170 years, it was considered a very naughty word. And then it wasn't. And today, the word bloody still won't get you a prize for good behaviour, but it is nowhere near as derogative as it used to be. You may have noticed that members of the British royalty have been seen to use the word bloody in public. It becomes newsworthy, but it's never a crisis. Let's do this checklist of when you can use the word bloody. At a job interview. Yes, I did look at your website and it looks bloody fantastic. No. Riding a roller coaster at a theme park. Oh my God, this is bloody scary. Yes, you can do that. When buying a ticket at the train station, I need 2 bloody tickets to get to bloody Paris. No. When a friend accidentally hits you in an awkward body part. Ouch! Bloody hell! What were you doing? Yes. When asking for directions, can you tell me how to get to the bloody library, please? No. When you are emotional and stressed and want to vent with friends. I can't stand my bloody boss. He's so annoying. Yes. When ordering a meal at a restaurant, can I have that bloody delicious lobster? No. When your companion tells you something looks good on you and you disagree. You're just saying it looks good. You're a bloody liar. Yes, you can do that. When a car runs over your foot, ouch, that bloody hurts. Yes, you can do that. So in conclusion, if you want to use the word bloody to express anger or frustration, then I would advise you to use it amongst friends, even in public places. That's okay. And you can be safe to assume that it will not cause any fights. But also be aware that if you use it with strangers, you may be frowned upon. Like that. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And it gives you a better insight into when to use the word bloody in English. For more English learning content, check out these videos over here, and I will see you again soon.